Some animals are known for their intelligence and smartness, like the African gray parrot who can talk, the octopi that can solve puzzles, and the pigs who can play video games. But some animals, on the other hand, do not have the same intelligence. Just like with humans, not everyone are born as Albert Einstein, and the same goes for animals. So today, we'll look at some of the dumbest animals on Earth. Number 10. The turkey. Turkeys are notorious for their lack of intelligence. Domesticated turkeys, in particular, have been observed to look up at the sky during rainstorms, sometimes with their mouths open, which can lead to them drowning. They also have a tendency to panic easily, often stampeding in groups without clear direction. Turkeys can be so inept that they sometimes forget how to eat and drink without assistance. Despite these quirks, they manage to thrive due to human intervention and breeding. Number 9. The Kakapo. The Kakapo, a flightless parrot native to New Zealand, has a reputation for being one of the least intelligent birds. These nocturnal birds have poor survival instincts, often freezing in place when threatened, which makes them easy prey. Their bright green plumage helps them blend into the forest, but their habit of standing still in plain sight of predators negates this advantage. Kakapos are also notoriously bad at breeding. They mate infrequently, and their chicks have a high mortality rate. Conservation efforts are crucial for their survival, as their natural behaviors do little to help them thrive. Number 8. The panda. Pandas are adored worldwide for their cute and cuddly appearance, but they are not known for their brains. Their diet is almost exclusively bamboo, which is low in nutrients, requiring them to eat for up to 14 hours a day. Pandas often struggle with basic survival skills, such as finding food and reproducing efficiently. In the wild, they can be remarkably clumsy, frequently falling from trees or getting stuck in awkward positions. Conservationists often have to intervene to ensure their survival, highlighting their limited adaptability. Number 7. The sloth. Sloths are incredibly slow-moving animals, and their sluggishness extends to their cognitive abilities. They have poor eyesight and rely heavily on their sense of smell and touch to navigate their environment. Sloths have been known to mistake their own limbs for tree branches, sometimes leading to dangerous falls. Their slow metabolism and minimal energy usage contribute to their laid-back lifestyle, which makes them an easy target for predators. Despite their seemingly lazy nature, sloths play an important role in their ecosystem by helping to promote plant growth through their slow, deliberate movements. Number 6. The ostrich. Ostriches are the largest birds in the world, but they are not known for their intelligence. They have a tendency to run in circles when frightened and can be easily confused. The myth that ostriches bury their heads in the sand when scared isn't true, but they do lie flat on the ground to avoid detection, which can sometimes backfire by making them more conspicuous. Ostriches also have a reputation for being aggressive without cause, often attacking threats that aren't there. Their impressive size and speed are their saving graces in the wild. Number 5. The flamingo. Flamingos are famous for their vibrant pink feathers and unique one-legged stance, but they are not particularly bright. They spend a lot of time performing synchronized, often pointless, movements in large groups. Flamingos filter feed in shallow waters, often ingesting mud and silt along with their food, which can lead to digestive issues. Their mating dances and elaborate group behaviors are fascinating to watch but seem to lack practical purpose beyond attracting mates. Despite their somewhat foolish antics, flamingos have thrived in large colonies around the world. Number 4. The cane toad. Cane toads are known for their invasive nature and voracious appetites, but not for their intelligence. Introduced to various countries to control agricultural pests, they quickly became pests themselves due to their lack of discrimination in eating. Cane toads will consume almost anything, including pet food, which can lead to toxic reactions in animals that prey on them. Their tendency to hop towards light sources, including cars, results in high mortality rates. Despite their environmental impact, cane toads have not adapted intelligently to new threats in their environment. Number 3. The lemming. Lemmings have gained a reputation for mindless behavior, often believed to follow each other off cliffs en masse. While this is a myth, they do exhibit some baffling behaviors. Lemmings migrate in large groups, sometimes leading to dangerous situations where they attempt to cross bodies of water they cannot swim across. Their population booms and busts lead to periods of mass dispersal, during which their survival instincts seem to fail them. Despite their low ranking on the intelligence scale, lemmings play an important role in the Arctic food chain. Number 2. The koala. Koalas are known for their endearing looks and relaxed lifestyle, but they are not particularly bright. Their diet consists almost entirely of eucalyptus leaves, which are low in nutrients and contain toxins. Koalas have a small brain relative to their size, which limits their problem-solving abilities. They can be very picky eaters, sometimes refusing to eat leaves that have been removed from the tree. Koalas also have poor social skills, often leading to conflicts and injuries. Despite their lack of smarts, koalas are loved for their docile nature and unique appearance. Before we reveal number 1 on this list, make sure to subscribe and turn on bell notifications to always stay updated on new videos. It takes only 2 seconds and helps our channel a lot. Number 1. The jellyfish. Topping our list is the jellyfish, an animal that lacks a brain entirely. Jellyfish navigate and survive primarily through a simple network of nerves called a nerve net, which controls their movements and responses to the environment. They drift along ocean currents, feeding on small fish and plankton. Despite their simplicity, jellyfish have thrived for millions of years, demonstrating that intelligence isn't always necessary for survival. Their stings can be dangerous to humans, but their behavior is purely instinctual, lacking any true cognitive function. And there you have it, the top 10 dumbest animals. These creatures remind us that intelligence comes in many forms, and that every animal has its unique way of surviving. If you wonder which animals are the smartest, check out the video in the top right corner. Which animal's behavior surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more fascinating facts about the animal kingdom. See you next time.